What's going on, everybody? Good. It's nighttime right now on the eastern tip. It's like 11:08, 11:09 p.m. Yeah. I was just trying to figure out um, which route I'm gonna go. And but earlier I was talking about. Um, I was reading something on Justin Simmons, and I kind of like that because look, the Denver Broncos released him in time for free agency, right? In time for the first wave of free agency. Um, Justin Simmons got released right after Russell did, and is it kind of strange that he is still on the open market um, without a deal? It seems kind of strange for one of the best safeties. You know what I mean? That's in the league, a ball hawking safety at that. You know what I mean? And what is really going on? Is did it What is really going on? Did the safety position is it, the new running back? Is the new running back? 'Cause I'm like, wow. You know what I mean? Wide receivers got paid out to Swazoo so far. You know what I mean? So far already, getting they done hit the bank. Them wide receivers, and then it was like kind of real funny, like you watching NFL Network. Oh, another safety that just got released. Safety after safety getting released. I mean, I kind of understand that Sean Payne doesn't believe in paying safeties that much bread because Jason Z was getting cake. You feel me? He was getting cake. He was getting some paper. I think he, I think they would have had like a 18.5 million cap hit on him this year if if he had still been on the roster. You know what I mean? So it was most definitely money related. But all these teams out here, um, that be needing safeties. I mean, not just a regular safety. I mean, a damn good one, a real damn good safety. You know what I mean? Look, we already know we downgraded. We soon as released Justin Simmons, shortly after free agency opened, George Payton and Sean Payton hopped on Brandon Jones out of they went and scooped him up, gave him a 3-year, 20 million deal. Yeah, they the budget Broncos right now, cause they the budget them Broncos right now because they had to eat that whole 80. They was eating that whole 85 million dead cap that Russ left. You feel me? Maybe next year this time. You know what I mean? They be ready, like spending during free agency and all that other stuff leading up to the draft, but not this year. They were shopping. The Broncos was really shopping in the bargain bin this year, y'all. For real, for real. They was shopping in the bargain bin. But to see Justin Simmons without a team right now, it's for some reason it don't feel right. I mean, what is he waiting on? Okay, we know that he want to play for a contender with a chance to, you know, hopefully, go to the dance. and maybe have a chance to win the Super Bowl. Who knows? But he he ain't never been to the playoffs since he got drafted in 2016 with the Broncos. So, is that one of the reasons? Could that be a reason? They might be thinking like, yeah, he's good, but do he really know how to win? If he really knew how to win, he would have been, kind of speaking up and putting his foot down and trying to get them boys back on track. But it was bigger than that one. It was bigger than him. Jay Sims got drafted. When T.J. Ward, Boss Ward, was on his last go round with the Broncos. So he was drafted to take Boss Ward's spot. Things happen. Things happen like that, but it's just so hard to like believe, man. Like people been picking up safeties in free agency. What he don't want to leave Colorado? I get that. They got children, and him and his wife got children. They very connected to the Colorado area out there in Denver. He been there about since 2016, right? He been there since 2016. So like, can we understand that? I know I can. But like now, if he doesn't get on by training camp, right? Because this week coming up here, it's like the last weeks of it's mandatory minicamp coming up. It's the last go round before they break in July and get ready. Before they go on they break in July, they go on they break in June and come back toward the end of July. Right. For training camp, they come back around the end, sometime around the end of July, to get ready for training camp. And what's gonna happen? Training camp comes around. Okay, yeah, somebody could get injured. Oh, Jay Sims is still on the market. Okay. But then y'all won't be really paying him top dollar because top dollar wages are now gone. He got mouths to feed. He got kids. He got kids to feed. He got mouths to feed. His wife probably like nice things too. That's somewhere where they been used to getting all that type of bread. I'm just hoping for the best, man. I'm hoping that I wouldn't want to see Jay Sims playing with the Raiders or the Chiefs or the Chargers. I don't think he want to do that. There's teams out there. I'm gonna run them down. I'm gonna run them teams down. The teams that's out there. Like Tennessee, they had already showed interest in Justin Simmons once before, but I'm not really too sure. Know the particulars of what happened. They might have signed another safety. They probably signed somebody else. Is what I'm thinking. But then I'm also hearing that the Tennessee Titans could kind of double back and refocus on Justin Simmons. Why not? He's a hell of a safety. He's real good. He's a ball hawk. He's a ball hawking safety. He leads the NFL to this day in takeaways, interceptions since he's been in the league. And nobody scooped him up yet. What's going on, Tennessee? Y'all out of bread or something? But not only Tennessee, Miami needs a safety. Miami needs safety help. Some teams, a lot of teams, but Miami needs safety help. What are they doing? Who knows what Mike McDaniel doing down there with Tua, right? But they need safety help. And one of the best safeties is still out there on the market to be had for the right price. But the right price is not going to be the right price. He's going to be probably taking a discount right now at this particular stage in the game. And then, like, where else could he go? Where else could Jay Simmons go? Vibrangio in Philly. I think if he was to go to Philly, he wouldn't even have to worry about start. I think he knows he's going to start because Vic Fangio's is there. That was the same coach in Denver for quite some time. So I don't know, but time's running out. You don't catch on in training camp, then you just waiting to see who getting hurt in the season. Somebody get hurt when the season starts. Somebody give you a call, or is you going to sit? I don't think Jay Simmons want to sit out this year. Who knows what that man might do? But it's just unusual, and I really can't see. I really can't see Justin Simmons sitting out a year. Not right now. I would have never knew by Sean Payton and George Payton releasing Jay Simmons that he would still be on the market, on the free agent market this long. You feel me? But that's just a hard one to swallow, right? Yeah, I know. But I just wanted to bring that one right there to you. You know what I mean? I decided to bring that one right there to you. And go in this with a Mile High salute. Double Mile High salute.